So yun guys, I will show you the the butchi that Maki is doing right now. Ayan. Ang dami, naka-flash. You know, lagyan niya ng cheese and then i-roll niya sa sesame seeds. Ay, baka kailangan basa-basahin siya.
Hindi nga, no?
Diba? Oh, pag sabay-sabay na. Ay, ano mo siya medyo basa, tapos i-roll mo siya mamaya. Hindi. Kaya. Piprituhin mo yung akong pagkain na trending ito sa mga social media app. Okay? So, this food is called what? Butchi. It's Maki who cooked this a while ago. I instructed him to watch the video and try to make a butchi because I all have the ingredients. And I'm just lacking energy to do this snackan. So, ayan. Pinakasuyo ko kay Maki gawin and ako na lang magta-taste check. Tikman natin, guys. May cheese sa loob, guys. Glutinous rice with cheese inside. With sesame seeds. Masarap. First time ko makatikim ng ganito. Gumagawa ko yung butchi before. Ang sarap niya yung parang kamote. Ginagaya ko yung sa choking. Okay? But this is cheese. Pwede na. Nalaway ako. Masarap siya, guys. Very quick and easy gawin. Less ingredient and pwedeng pang negosyo. Okay? Magkakasting ako later. Sarap. Try nyo guys merienda food. Natutuwa din mga kids.